Hello and welcome to ElectroPHY channel. In this video, I want to explain about homopolar motor, sometimes it's called unipolar, and show you a simple DIY model of it. First, let's just talk about some principles. Homopolar motor is a DC motor and it can run with a simple battery. To understand its physics, you need to know about Lorentz force. In a simple word, when a conducting wire is in the presence of a magnetic field and a current is flowing through it, a force is applied to it. The direction of the force is determined by the right-hand rule. You can find more about Lorentz force in our another video. This kind of motor is the first invented electrical motor. It was first built by Michael Faraday. This picture is Faraday's homopolar motor. The name homopolar is because of that the polarity of the magnetic field doesn't change. Also, it doesn't need a commutator, unlike other common DC motors. Here is a simple DIY homopolar motor. It consists of a simple shaped wire, a 1.5 volt battery, and a neodymium magnet. The wire has this shape, so we will be sure that it won't fall off during rotation. The neodymium magnet is conductive, so the negative pole of battery is connected to these parts of wire, and the other ends is connected to the positive pole of battery. Therefore, a current is flowing through the wire. The magnetic field of the magnet is considered to be as shown. These two arms are in the presence of a magnetic field, and also a current is flowing through them in the same direction. So based on Lorentz force law, force is applied to each arm. These forces have opposite direction, so the shaped wire starts turning, and this is how a homopolar motor works. Homopolar motor like the one we showed is not that much practical, and it's used to explain Lorentz force, and it's an interesting physics phenomenon. However, you may see homopolar in other shape in some rare cases, like in toys or even industry. Special thanks to Professor Mohseni, head of electrical machines and electromagnetics elementary lab of Tehran University. Thanks for watching, hope you learned good things. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel.